Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a ready device, so make sure Wi-Fi is connected and battery is above 20%. Once done, check you have about 100 MB free and that Android meets Waze requirements. Next, open the Google Play Store, don't search in a browser, and type Waze. Tap the official app listing. You're starting the update now. This step gets you to the app page where the update button will appear if a newer build is available. Tap Update and, if prompted, accept required Play Store permissions. While it downloads, watch the progress indicator and the reported size. Large updates are best on Wi-Fi. If you need to keep using the phone, close background apps to give Play Store resources. Once the download completes, Play Store will automatically install. Make sure you don't interrupt installation. If prompted to restart the app or device, open Waze and go to Settings, then About to confirm the version changed. Sign back in if needed and make sure your maps, voices, and favorites sync properly. This confirms the update applied cleanly. If the app crashes or features look missing, restart the phone first. If problems persist, clear Google Play Store cache and data, then re-attempt the update. This often resolves stalled installs. If you still can't update, uninstall and reinstall Waze as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.